Today I'm going to show you how to boot from your grub. So select the grub entry from UEFI, select option C, and then you can list all of your devices. In this case, HD1 will correspond to SDA, HD2 will correspond to SDB. So I can list the contents of HD1 exactly the way that it looks. I'll put in GPT1 because that is my boot partition. And I'll put a / so it'll list the contents. And I can list what's in EFI so you can see that that's for my Arch partition. So I'm going to set my root, and I'll use single quotes to set the root as HD1 GPT1. And then I'm going to want to specify Linux for my image, and I want that image set to the root folder of my system, which will be SDA2. Then I'll initialize it. I'll initialize the image, and then I can boot. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.